Hello YouTube fam, back with another great video. Today's video I'm going to be cooking T-bone steak, one of my favorite pieces of steak. Okay, I've already washed, to save time, I've already washed the steak really well, and I've already put the seasonings on it. So let me, and I let it marinate for about an hour. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I put on for seasoning, okay? I put a teaspoon of salt. Okay. I put a tablespoon of pepper. Two tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. All of these seasonings are going to make the steaks just terrific. They just going to be tasting terrific. 2 tablespoons of Montreal steak seasoning. This seasoning right here just makes any steak just taste terrific. Okay? And I always put on my steaks, to help them be tender and have a great taste, I always add Italian dressing. It makes steaks just taste terrific. Okay? And since they've already been marinated, I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put them in the oven and let them cook and bake in the oven for about probably 45 minutes. And they're going to be beautiful and they're going to taste just terrific. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I'm also going to be making some tossed salads. I love salad with steak, with our steaks. And it's going to be delicious. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already cut up my lettuce for my salads and added a few tomatoes to our salads. And now I'm going to add some bacon bits. I love bacon bits on salad. Okay. Now, while the steak is still cooking, I'm going to put these in the refrigerator so they can chill. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I just took the steaks out of the oven and they look delicious. They're going to be tender and delicious. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, I've already put everything that we're having on the plate. I just cooked some frozen French fries today. Normally, well, I'll cook French fries a lot sometimes, but I'll make homemade French fries sometimes. And I just didn't have the potatoes today, so I just cooked the frozen French fries with our T-bone steak. And I made a salad. And what I usually put on my steak is, let me put it a little closer so you can see how delicious and how perfect it turned out. It's gonna be tender and juicy, okay? And I usually put on my steak A1 steak sauce. I love it. My whole family does. And on my salad, I'll put ranch and a small amount of Italian dressing on there. Okay? And I'm not gonna do a taste test today because I'm doing this video maybe an hour earlier before my family comes home and I want to wait and eat with them. But I just wanted to show you how I played it. And doesn't it look delicious? Doesn't it look delicious? And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And look ahead at the top left. I always include a video that you may not have seen before. I cook a lot of videos. I got a lot of popular videos that you may like to enjoy watching. And as always, thanks for watching.